A very good morning to all those who are watching this video. I, Rishmi Alex, Assistant Professor in Department of Management of KVM College of Arts and Science, is here to coordinate a small event on World Veterinary Day. As you know, this day is celebrated across the globe to protect and save our animals. So for more details and for more insight into the topic, let's hear Dr. Rachana R., veterinary surgeon, giving an insight on today's day.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Rachana, working as a veterinary surgeon in Veterinary Dispensary Mararikola South, Alappuzha. This April 24th Saturday, the entire world celebrated World Veterinary Day. World Veterinary Day celebration was started in 2000 by World Veterinary Association. At this moment, World Organization for Animal Health is also participating with the World Veterinary Association for the celebration of this day. The main objective of the celebration of this day is to make the public aware of the role of veterinarian in the society. Veterinarians are not only involved in the treatment of failing animals, he plays an important role in the protection of food animals as a part of food security, prevention, treatment and control of various zoonotic diseases. He also plays a key role in One Health concept. Every year, a theme is given for discussion to make the public aware of the topic of importance. This year, that is in 2021, the theme is Veterinarians' Response to COVID-19 Crisis. We all know that this is a relevant topic nowadays, as we all are under the threat of second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. As a part of World Veterinary Day celebration, lot of group discussion, webinar and other online activities are happening throughout the world. Certainly, all these activities will make the public aware of the various control measures to be adopted for the prevention and control of this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you all.